why not i-try? Try natin to, pang detox daw. 10 pieces of calamansi, 1 piece of onion, and 5 cloves of garlic. Okay, try natin pang detox. Ito, kumukulo na yung tubig. So, lagay natin. Pakuluan siya for 8 minutes. 8 minutes, then may tubig tayo ni 1 cup or 1 and 1/2 cup. Then, pakuluan lang natin siya ng 8 to 10 minutes. Then, palamigin din, inumin na. So, good for skin and liver disease and maraming benefits na makakukuha sa tatlong ingredients natin. Okay? Thank you. We'll just wait na mag 10 minutes na. Then, after that, I'll show you